My name is Milla. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Hungary, and I study at NHL Stenden. I'm a second year international business student, and today I will show you how my day looks like here in Leeuwarden. After managing to crawl out of bed, the first thing I always do is make my bed, because it feels like I have already done something important today and the day can officially get started. The next thing on my list is getting dressed, so I will be back in a sec. Today it's very windy and cold outside. I really hope it's not going to rain. To overcome the typical Dutch weather, I will wear my favorite hoodie to keep myself warm all day long. Last year I was living in one of the apartments of Students' Day, but this year I'm living in a shared house with one housemate, and it's been amazing because we get along so well and I really enjoy doing fun activities together that I wouldn't do alone, and it's just great to have someone to socialize with and talk to 24/7. Normally I have classes in the morning, so I don't really have time for a huge meal, but I always manage to eat something healthy. That is now a banana with some honey, and while I drink my morning tea, I always go through my notes for the lecture. Today I have 2 lectures that I need to get to as soon as possible, otherwise I'm going to be late. And let's quickly hop on our bike. I'm actually early. After the lectures, it's time to have a delicious lunch, and I always come to the canteen. So let's order something. Hi! After school, I was planning on going into the city center. I need to study, so finding a cozy study space is one of my goals today.
So here we are at Daily Coffee. This is my favorite coffee place because it also offers you the opportunity to study, which is very great for us university students. Today I'm here with my best friend, who's also my study buddy. I had 2 lectures and there's a lot to do, so we have to get started.
Now we are leaving after a very effective study session, and we have to prepare some dinner. Therefore, I will go to Jumbo, one of the biggest supermarkets here in Leeuwarden. So this is how my day looks like as a university student at NHL Stenden, living in Leeuwarden. I really hope you enjoyed following me along today. And now I will go to sleep because I have some classes in the morning. Thank you for being here. See you guys. Good night.